Okay, so Dad just said that this is tack welded on now from underneath. It's the next day.
Yeah. The pan is welded all the way from here up, and then tomorrow we'll probably do something else. This has these knobs.
Yeah.
Have to be ground off. That's flux.
Okay. So,
But I'm going to back off on this one for a time being until he gets caught up. I'm going to concentrate on the blue one.
well, you're bouncing around because you got different parts in here and
I
whatnot.
got all the parts for this one now.
Okay, great. So we're gonna back off just so the customer can get caught up here. The bills add up really quickly, guys, and
We
we
don't want to pressure him.
yeah.
He's got from now until the end of November before he's ready.
Yeah.
It'll be ready. It's just
Yeah.
we're gonna get the next one done.
So, again, the bills add up really quickly, guys, and we want to make sure that we're not overwhelming the clients on the bills. When we first start out, it can be, you get the down payment and start doing it, like if Dad's maybe starting off with the power steering and that sort of thing. But once you start ordering parts, and like this guy is going to get hit with $1,500 bill for bearing seals and races, and we didn't know that until we pulled off the wheels what the story was. So there's quite a significant bill here for the customer. We're going to give him a few weeks to kind of get caught up and then send the next partial payment. And I think all the parts for everything, like Dad said, has been purchased, so everything else just putting it together. It's the labor. We got this guy a couple tires as well. We found the Impossible, and I just got the tubes in today. So he's got no tubes for his two tires. And so, yeah, but we got a big chunk of change off that customer for doing his Bombardier. So Dad's focusing there, and also the other work that's coming in.